Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe if you're new here. So today we're going to prepare viazi karai, and what we'll need is 3/4 cup of wheat flour, spices of your choice. I'm using thyme and oregano, a cup of lukewarm water. Use the same cup you used when you measured the wheat flour, orange food color, salt to taste, boiled potatoes, make sure they're soft, and oil. So peel and cut the potatoes to the size of your liking, and then warm the water that you'll be using. Then add the wheat flour, the spices, the food color, and the salt to taste. Then of course mix it all together. And if you want a thick paste, you can add more of the ingredients that I've used. For example, you can add more wheat flour to make a thick paste, and then you can add more food color. So these potatoes are snacks that are mostly sold in cost, and I've just used the basic ingredients that these people use. There are many ways to make potatoes that I've seen various YouTubers, but this is just the basic and the simple way to make potatoes. So you can also add more spices. Forgot to say that. Yeah. So when you're all done and you like the paste and you're satisfied with the paste that you've made, you can now add the potatoes and start frying. But make sure first the oil is heated well, then you can start frying. So when you finally mixed everything and you've dipped your potatoes in the paste, make sure your oil is very hot, then start frying the potatoes. So when you use a thin paste, this is how your potatoes will come out looking like. But then I added more flour and more food color to make the paste thick. So that is the final product. As you can see, the potatoes that are bright than the other ones. So the brighter ones are the ones that I cooked in the thick paste. Then I made mine with some chili. Basically it's just tomatoes with a lot of spices and a lot of chili. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell, and see you next time for more videos and recipes.